Hi guys, it's me again, Sir Ace, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we are going to talk about circle. So before anything else, let us first define what a circle is. And we define a circle as a set of points whose equidistant to a fixed point, which is called the center. And one of the best examples of a circle is a ring, the edge of a coin, and the edge of this electric fan is also a circle. So for this video, we are going to talk about the standard equation of the circle given our center and our radius. So let us have our example. So suppose that we have the center, which is at the origin, meaning the coordinates are 0 and 0. And we have the radius, which is, let's say 2. So if this is the given, then you are just simply going to use the formula, which is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. And then you just need to substitute the given r, which is 2 squared. And then you just remain or bring down x squared plus y squared. Then square your radius, which is 2. 2 squared is 4. And this is the standard equation of your circle already, given the center as the origin and the radius, which is 2. So as simple as that. Let us have another example. Let us say you have still at the origin standard equation of the circle, whose center is at the origin, and your radius, like for example, is 10. And then you were asked to write this in standard form. So you're just going to use the formula, which is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. Always remember that if the standard equation, or if the given center is 0, 0 or at the origin, always use this formula. And then you just need to bring down x squared plus y squared is equal to, then substitute the value of r, which is 10, then square. So x squared plus y squared is equal to 100. And this is the standard equation of your circle. Okay, moving on with standard equation of the circle. Suppose that in the first example, or the first and second examples, we have the standard equation of a circle whose center is at the origin. How about if our center is not the origin or not in the coordinates 0, 0? So how are you going to answer that, or to do that? You are just going to apply the formula, the quantity of x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Wherein this h and this h represents your abscissa, or your x-axis or x-coordinate, and your k represents your ordinate, or your y-coordinate. So, like for example, we have center 2, 4, meaning the center of your circle is not at the origin. And your r is, let's say, 3. So you're just going to substitute the given to the formula. So this will be x minus, your h is 2 square, plus y, the quantity of y, minus your k is 4 square, is equal to, your r is 3. Then square. Don't forget to square your radius. So, in this case, you are just going to copy x minus 2 square plus y minus 4 square, or the quantity of x minus 2 square plus the quantity of y minus 4 square is equal to whatever the square of the given radius. So in this case, this is 3 square, which is 9. So meaning to say, the standard equation of your circle whose center is at 2, 4 is x minus 2 square plus y minus 4 square is equal to 9. Okay, next, let us have another example. So please be familiar with the formula so that it will be very easy for you to write the standard equation of the circle given our center and the radius. How about if your center is -1 and then -3 and your radius is 7? So suppose that you were asked to write this in standard equation whose center is -1 and -3 and the radius is 7. So how are you going to do that? Same process. You are just going to substitute the given center to the formula and then your given r. So this will be x minus h square, or the quantity of x minus h square plus the quantity of y minus k square is equal to r square. So x minus your h is -1. So you have -1 square plus y minus your k is -3 square. And your r is 7. Don't forget square. So this will be the quantity of x. Negative times -1 is positive square plus y negative times -3 is also a positive square is equal to 7 square is 49. And that is the standard equation of your circle. So just be familiar with the formula, which is x minus h square plus the quantity of y minus k square is equal to r square. And make sure to substitute the given center and then the given radius, and be aware of the given signs like this one. Since you have here -1, so make sure that your h is -1. Your y or your k must also be -3. And then just proceed with the operation. There must always be one operation. So this will be negative times negative is positive, negative times negative is positive, and you always need to square your radius. Okay? So another technique is that even without writing, we can actually directly say the standard equation of the circle. How? You just simply need to change h and k and then get the square of your r. How? In this case, this is -1. So since this is -1, you're just going to get its opposite sign, because once we multiply it by a negative, that will actually become a positive. So this will be x plus 1 square plus the quantity of y, since this is negative, plus 3 square is equal to r square, which is 7 square is 49. Another, even without writing, let us try. So this is, let us say this is, c is -4 and -1, and your radius is 6. So this will be x, since this is negative, this will become positive, x plus 4 square plus y, since this is positive, this will remain negative, y minus 1 square is equal to r square is 6 square is 36. So meaning the standard equation of our circle is x plus 4 square plus the quantity of y minus 1 square is equal to 36. Okay? So that is how you are going to write standard equation of a circle given our radius and our center and our radius. So I hope you learned something from this video, and I also hope that you can actually apply this in your activities, in your modules, and in the Google Classroom if you are using that. So that ends this video, and I hope you learn something, and God bless. Bye!